Ang payeso payhaba Gungonogor Bazardi Saint Arnold School English Medium School ground wo tawo now player no to tawo Jagabandhu Parani Strain Youth Society ni club ni player by ake tini kaulaipa bo Gungonogor ni local team bro by ke tini thulainai semi final
tao rani organizing committee rokono to tao bro ko theni chale negrana sir, can you say few words about the football match and why you are organizing this tournament, please?
First of all, very good evening to all. It is a feast for the Mother Mary, for the upliftment and the to give away the drug addiction for the youth. The football match mainly conducted, and in the beginning we started this match before 2 weeks ago, and today we have come to the second semi-final, and both the teams are very excited to play. This locality is very youthful, and they have many ways to explore their life, and one of the ways is, I believe, that it is a sport, and through sport the youth may be directed towards the right direction of their life, and I believe that the St. Arnold School is promoting the right way to bring and gather together all the youth to take their right decision in their life. And I thank very specially the principal of the school, Father Jaibu, who is the mastermind behind this organizing the football match. And through this channel, I want to promote that school is not just only an educating the children, but school can be instrument for the youth, the surrounding and the locality to develop their in their all the areas, like they can be given the right direction through the sports, conducting sports, or organizing any other like any other any other courses, like we can say the leadership classes, or any life earning training.
how many teams are participating?
In the beginning, we when we started, it was 24 teams they had participated, and out of that, today we are having the second semi-final. So only now just last 3 teams are remaining.
Those who won today they will go to
They will go to direct final, and I congratulate all the teams and for the participation, and I believe that they might have also learned how to be work in a team, because football is not just a game, but it is a teamwork.
Okay, thank you, brother, for a few words. Now, ikatawa got tapo jang ting sarno an kau kaya thani chitule chini kau group by ke sai khna liba no tin by ke tini thulai nai ke tini by ke ite suknai abon ko ge mungsa
Ini team ke Jogobondhu ni Strain Youth Society versus Kaulai team bo ke Mongonogor ni local team no kebro ke tinio second semi final nai ke jepainai robo jepainai se final suknai kemi apo kya semi final thamu ke abo ke Muchung versus this RD block. So RD block no pa je tinio final no paine ke RD block no bai mare lene ke final ke ruibar thonai ekna to shonibar na to khani bai se kene tinio je krainai bai miao krainai ro third prize photo asan
sangat sangat ke actually clear on to our team versus Jagabandhu Strain Youth Society club ke no player no sunai nai maro brikheng no ini na painai de chennai de abani ko pandra no si sa
ini ame chungle chung pai pai ni
एकदम ना ट्राई करने के लिए
कॉन्फिडेंस के समय पाने
इनके तीन कॉलेज पर टीम दोनों को क्या सुन नहीं ना तीन ना नहीं तुम मार ओले बुके ना वही सो ये तो ना पैन मन खाओ दे थाने ना देखे ना नहीं ट्राई खेल मारो ना वही सो मॉम तो खेला के हाथ से तो apa ini aku kaget pokoknya mah asal keuna gue temen semua nah cungcing cungcing apa bah cungcing plaza beti plaza tulai kio nah bisi ke rap dikit tulai apa dikit banyak deh peaceful dikit tulai ya banyak ya tapi hak sangat jodoh naya tunai video naya deh popai spotchen no pai har jara bo video tini football thumbo nai tini last jodoh chumbo video ke chukku nai na hello so team lu pe jo out na ball mai kau lagi snake you draw ball through the wall so we have ball
पहिलो जे फ्री किक में हां चिनी रेफरी सर बो पूरा 10 स्टेप के काउंट खेरी नो बो बो जेसमे बो रेडी रे नि खापो ब्रो किक खे मी छौ किक खे मी अपो अबनो बो च्या न अबले तौरे हा बो रेडी रिया कोन बये के अब के पहिला नि जे मता प्रॉब्लम म जे गोथना कि तो अब सेकंड नि के जे ऑफसाइड थ्रो फॉलो हा ऑफसाइड में फाथने थ्रो बोलो बो रेडिंग हा जतो न प्लेयर्स को रेडी ने नाइ सबै मोटामोटी तो